Hey, welcome to another episode of Memos Garage. Yo! Over here. Cut. Hey, welcome to another episode of Memos Garage-AZ. In this, whoa, hey, cut. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Memos Garage-AZ. Today, I'm paying a little bit more attention to the exterior of the car. So I'm doing some body vinyls. I'm also doing a door, window chrome delete. So let's get to it. Let me show you what I got. Alright, so here's what I got. I got these at, I believe, a store called Etsy, but I'm gonna double check that and I'm gonna put it in the description. So I got, these are like racing stripes, and I think typically people put these, I think here, like across the fender, but I'm gonna do it more like down here from the door across into the fender, and then I'm gonna cut here where the door is. So that's that one. But I'm also going to be doing this, which goes across here, a little closer, and it goes somewhere like here. I don't know if I'm gonna go low and then have it go on that crease, or if I'm gonna stay high. But you know, I'm gonna have to start from wherever. I'm gonna do that one first, and then this will be easier to put where I want. And obviously, it's meant to go all the way across the car, so I'm gonna have to cut back here at some point. And so that is, those are the body vinyls. This is the chrome delete. That looks like a nightmare. So let's see how we're gonna make this work. Yes. Yeah, here, let me check this out. So this one here, I can tell is for there. And I guess you do this in pieces, like parts. So I gotta figure out what's what. So all of these down here with the straight lines are gonna be these right here. These two. And then this arc, probably this one. So I don't know which way I should start. I'm gonna start with this one. I gotta clean it up. Alright, let's get started. So here's what I've done so far. And man, this is like a 2-man job or 3-man job if you need somebody holding the camera, because I needed a camera person to help me with this thing. So we basically started down here and we lined it up. I don't know how many times I peeled it off to get this to start over. But you know, it's trial and error, and obviously you want to get it so that right here in this area I kind of had to stretch it so that it would cover the chrome. But I think I have it all lined up. Obviously I don't have all the edges in yet, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat it with the heat gun and then try to tuck it into the molding right here. But this is probably as good as it's gonna get. I'm not even gonna try to peel it off and mess with it anymore. But you know, if you have a friend, you're gonna need a friend for this if you're gonna do this yourself. Especially in these long ones, I don't know, maybe you can get away with by yourself, but find somebody to help you, because it's a pain in the butt. But anyways, so on the next one, I think I'm gonna wear the GoPro on the point of view with the head thing, and then we'll do the other side so you can kind of see what we were doing as we were, you know, working this thing. So I'll be right back. So here's what I got. I went and I hit it with the heat, but you gotta be careful not to put too much heat, because then you'll get wrinkles like that. So I took this, you know, just any credit card, like one of those hotel room keys. So, and then I tucked this in between here to try to get it underneath the rubber molding. And I think for the first try, it came out okay. Obviously I'll get better. as I go. But I think I'm gonna leave that one alone, because if I keep messing with it, I'm gonna end up tearing it. So on to the next one. So one full side done. This stuff takes a while, a lot of patience, so I would get started as early as possible if you want to get both done. I think I'm gonna start running out of light soon, but I'm gonna get the other side started. All right, almost there. Okay, driver side done. I'm gonna be straight out honest, and it's not perfect. It's got wrinkles in some areas where the heat gun I probably held it on too long, but hopefully it'll last long enough. So we'll see. A couple car washes and I should know if this thing's gonna hold or not. But I've been at it all day, so I think I'm gonna cut out, give it a break here, and finish these tomorrow. So see you guys again tomorrow. I freaking love it. I know this isn't everyone's cup of tea, and you know, people usually will say like, oh, that's a, you know, it's a ricer thing, whatever, blah blah blah. But if you look at the Nissan and like Nismo racing history, they've used stripes like this and on a lot of their Z cars. So there's a tradition behind this, and obviously I'm not trying to say I'm trying to follow that, but you know, if you look at some, I think in fact Nissan still does this until the late model 370Z. Obviously this stripe's a little shorter, and with this stripe here, and then I think it says 370Z. I'll put some pictures up here. You'll see some of the old Datsuns had these stripes, and some of the, like I said, some of the Nismo cars, racing cars. But anyways, I actually think it came out pretty good. I might have rushed it a little bit. I would suggest you take your time. I'm just trying to hurry up and get the hell out of this garage so I can go and edit this video. But anyways, there's a lot of bubbles, and a lot of these will eventually work their way out when it gets hot. But you can work a lot of these out with your fingers, like I'm doing now. But I think I actually got this pretty darn straight. It follows this line right here all the way through the fender. And these, all you do is you hit with the heat gun and then you roll them. The question now is, do I do the same here? Maybe a shorter stripe here, and then keep this 3-line stripe here to kind of make the rear look match the rest of the car. I don't know. And god damn it, I had to get windy all of a sudden now. Not what you want when you're working with vinyls. But got one side done, gotta work on the other side. I love it. I don't care what anybody says. it looks good to me, and until I want to spend the money on the complete car wrap, which I will do eventually, but I'm not focusing my money on that right now. It's not about the money. I mean, I have the money to do it. I just don't, I want to focus on other stuff first instead of the exterior. But I think this adds a little, I don't know, little character, a little flair. Doesn't look so stock as much. And actually with the chrome delete, I think it goes perfect. They complement each other. Looks good, enough said. I don't want to hear it. You don't like it? Move on. Don't leave me a nasty comment. Definitely gonna have to be careful. I don't want this to end up on Drew Peacock's channel. LOL. So there you have it, showing the G some love and for the exterior finally. Again, this isn't everybody's cup of tea, and I get that, but it's something that I wanted to do, something that, I don't know, just adds a little, it adds a little something, a little flair, and it actually complements the chrome delete, actually complements those stripes. I actually have more because I order a couple extra ones, so I don't know, I might play around with those, but I think for now I'm gonna leave it alone as is. But anyways, next video hopefully will be the long tube cold air intakes that I ordered. I've said in the past what they are, but I'm not gonna say anything right now. You're gonna have to go back and watch some of my videos. So those should be here soon, hopefully this week, and I can install them this weekend. And then from there, I'm gonna need a retune. Then from there, I'm gonna go to the dyno finally. I know I've been saying that for like, I think over a year, but we're finally gonna get to the dynos. All I need is the new long tube cold air intakes. Once I have those in, then for sure, I'm going to the dyno next, I promise. And then from there, you know, maybe some more track videos. I don't know, we'll see. Actually, no, there's a few other things that I want to do before the end of the year. But anyways, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. Again, I got a lot of cool, great videos coming. And thanks again. And I appreciate you guys joining me every time that I make these videos. I have seen a lot of people subscribing. I'm getting close to 500, so please help me get there. And then from there, you know, 500 at a time, then we'll worry about the next 500. But again, thank you all. Thank you to my current subscribers. Thank you for anybody that's watching this that's a new subscriber. I greatly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you again. See you next time.